Looking back, I don't think I was afraid of YouTube. I was scared of being seen. A few years ago, I started a YouTube channel. I want to share all the learnings that I have gone through for transformation, all that inner work about yoga, mindfulness, meditation, nervous system regulation. I had so much to say. Creating videos was exciting. Every new subscriber felt like confirmation that I was helping someone, that some of their struggles went away because something was added to their life. The channel was growing, the momentum was good, and then something shifted. My mind started overthinking. What people would think, am I too old? Am I too fat? Is it my accent? Questioning every video, the quality, location, the length. Nothing was good enough for my perfectionism. Comparing myself to other creators who were years ahead of me. Comparing myself to yoga teachers who were more flexible and younger and prettier and had a much more fancier location than my family room. How would I monetize it? I had no idea. How to maintain the momentum? And slowly, I started to create my excuses. I'm too tired today. I have no time. And the excuse started piling up till, oh wow, I haven't showed up at all. Not because I didn't care, because I cared a lot. Here's what's interesting. Even when I stopped posting, the desire never left. The voice, the whisper never left. The idea was always there. It kept showing up as motivation, as getting frustrated with myself. That quiet whisper was always nagging me. Come on, Megan, let's go back. Remember the joy. Remember how those videos brighten up your day. When are you going to begin again? I kept ignoring. I kept postponing. And it never went away. I wasn't afraid of YouTube. I was afraid of visibility. I think I was afraid of being seen. Because visibility changes things. When no one sees you, it's much easier to stay hidden and protected in your own cocoon, where you are comfortable, where you feel safe. When you begin sharing your voice, your ideas, your creativity, your truth, and for many of us, visibility can feel very scary. The pathwork talks about the hidden part of ourselves that wants growth and at the same time fear growth. One part of me genuinely wanted to help people. Another part wanted to feel safe. One part wanted expansion. Another part wanted to hide. And for many years, more than I can count, those two parts were pulling me apart in opposite directions until I realized something. Courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is allowing you to follow the path despite all the voices, all the resistance, the desire to grow despite of those places that keeps you safe and keep calling your name. Here's the thing, my friend. Maybe I think it's not YouTube. Maybe it's writing that book, starting your business. Get real about your relationship or having a child, having a difficult conversation, or get rid of toxic relationships. If there is something that's calling your name for years, pay attention. Give it a voice. Be brave. The world deserves to feel, to hear, to receive your gifts. Because the things that matter most rarely leave us alone. It will keep coming back. I'm choosing visibility, not because I became fearless, but because I learned that hiding has its cost. It is more painful than criticism, commitment, and maybe there's a part of you that wants to stop hiding too. If this resonates, I'd love to hear from you. What is the dream, the project, the part of yourself that is longing to show up, that wants to come forward and make a difference? Write in the comments, because it matters. When we bring things out into the open, we change the power of the resistance, and we have an option to make a different choice. Let me know in the comments.